Nephron are the structural and functional unit of the kidneys. We know that kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organ located at the abdomen, and the function of kidney is to filter blood and form urine. Urine is the liquid waste product of the body that is excreted by the urinary system. Okay, so now let's discuss about the structure of the nephrons. So nephrons are the structural and functional unit of the kidneys. Each kidney have more than 1 million of nephrons. This is the structure of nephron, and each kidney have more than millions of nephrons. The main components of the nephrons are glomerulus, Bovine capsule. Bovine capsule is a cup-shaped structure, and renal tubules. Renal tubule consists of various parts. First one is proximal convoluted tubule. This part is called loop of Henle. Okay, and descending limb, ascending limb, and U-shaped part is the part of loop of Henle. And the next is distal convoluted tubule, and the last one is collecting duct. Okay, so what are the different parts of nephron? Bovine's capsule, glomerulus, urinary tubule or renal tubule, which consists of various parts. The first one is proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle. Again, loop of Henle is divided into 3 parts: descending limb, U-shaped part, ascending limbs. And then next is distal convoluted tubule, and the last one is collecting duct. Okay, now one by one we will discuss about the various parts. First is Bovine's capsule. It is the first part of the nephron. It is a cup-shaped structure and receives the blood vessels. This red color tube is called renal artery, which receive blood. Okay, which carries blood. So Bovine capsule is a cup-shaped structure and receive the blood vessels. Glomerulus filtrations occur here. Next is proximal convoluted tubule. So the Bovine capsule extend downwards to form the proximal tubule. Water and reusable materials from the body, from the blood, are now reabsorbed here back. Okay, next is loop of Henle. The proximal convoluted tubule leads to the formation of a U-shaped loop called the loop of Henle. It has 3 parts: descending limb, U-shaped part, and ascending limb. It is the area in which urine becomes concentrated as water is reabsorbed. So urine becomes concentrated. Okay, and then loop of Henle leads into distal convoluted tubules. Now the distal convoluted tubule of each nephron leads to the collecting duct, and the collecting ducts together form the renal pelvis. So this is the structure of nephron and the functions of various parts of the nephrons.